Welcome back everyone to this video. Have a blessed day to all. PowerPoint 2010 Themes, Text and Transition. In today's video, we'll discuss about transitions. So contents you will learn in this video. First, transition and categories. To apply and preview your transition, modifying the transition, advancing the slide, presenting slideshow, presentation tools and features. So, transition or motion effects which add movement to your slide as you move from one slide to another in the slideshow view. There are many transitions available in PowerPoint 2010 and each transition has duration and sound effects also along with it. Let us see how to apply slide transitions. If you have seen a PowerPoint presentation that has special effects between each slide, then you have seen slide transitions. The transition can be as simple as fading to the next slide or as complex as flashing, each catching effects. This means you can choose transition to fit the style of your presentation. So about transition, there are three categories of unique transition to choose from. All the transition are found on the transition tab. So first one, this is a slide transition, and exiting this one. Second one, strong, and third one is the dynamic. This one, strong transition that affect only the context such as text or image. So to apply a transition, first select the slide to which you want to apply the transition. Then click the transition tab. Find the transition to this slide group. By default, none is applied to each slide. Then click the more drop down arrow to display all the transition. Click the transition to apply it to the selected slide. This will automatically preview this transition. So we want to note down that to apply for all slides, you want to select timing group and apply to all. Important note you want to note down: when applying transition to transition, the apply to all command in the timing group can be used at any time to make your presentation uniform. Use this command with caution. By using this apply to all command in this timing group, you will apply the same transition to all the slides, and other setting relating to the transition will also be applied the same to all the slides. Yes. So to preview a transition, there are two methods available. So you can preview the transition for the selected slides at any time using either of these two methods. First one, click the preview command on the transition tab. Second method is click the display animation icon, the star icon. The icon that appears on the slide tab in the left pane besides any slide that is applied a transition. So modifying the transition, to modify the duration, what we want to do. So select the slide whose transition you want to modify. In the duration, first we'll select the slide, right? In the duration field, in the timing group, enter the amount of time you want the transition to take. In this example, you will specify the length as 0.0, that is 0.10 seconds, or we can write 0.10 also, like this. To add a sound, what we want to do? First, select the slide to which you want to add sound to its transition. Click the sound drop down menu in the timing group. You will hear the sound and see a live preview of the transition as you move the mouse over each sound. So click the sound to apply it to the selected slide. Next, to remove a transition. Select the slide whose transition you want to remove. Choose none from the gallery in the transition to this slide group. Then repeat this process for each slide you want to modify. Yes. Note you want to do: to remove from all slides, select none. Apply to all the commands. Yes. Next, advancing slides. So here in the slide view, you would move to the next slide by clicking your mouse or pressing enter on your keyboard. Using the advanced slide setting in the timing group, you can set your presentation to proceed advanced on its own and display each slide for the specific amount of time. This is useful for unattended presentation such as at the trade show booth and all. So advanced slide automatically. First, select the slide you want to move advance automatically. Locate the timing group on the transition tab. Use advanced slide and check the box that is next to on mouse click. In the after field, enter the amount of time you want to display the slide. In this example, we'll advance the slide automatically after that's 0.05 seconds, or we can write 0.05 also. So select another slide and repeat the process until all the desired slide have the desired timing. So we'll see the quick review. What are the categories of transition? That's subtle, existing, dynamic content. Second one, in which group, that's in which tab and group the advanced slides contain. First on transition tab and timing group. Third question, which command is used to remove the transition for all slides? Click none, then apply to all. Fourth one, in how many ways the slides can be previewed? Mention it. There are 3 ways. First one is click preview in transition tab. Second method, click on the star play animation icon, and another is the shortcut key, press F5. How will you move the slides in slideshow? Either we can use enter key or mouse click. We'll continue now. Yes. So presenting slideshow. Yes. Once your slides are presented, you will need to learn how to present it to the audience. The PowerPoint has many tools and features that can help make your presentation smooth, attractive and professional. Let's learn how to play a slideshow and advance through the slides. To present your slideshow, you must know how to start the slideshow. As PowerPoint allows you to start your slideshow from the first slide or from any slide within the slideshow. Once you once your slideshow has started, you should know how to advance through the slides. So first is, want to select the slideshow tab, click the from beginning command here, right, in the start slideshow group to start the slideshow with the first slide. You can also start the slide from any slides you wish to by clicking on the from current slides option in the start slideshow group. This option is useful if you want to view or present any certain slides. Another option for starting the slideshow is to select slideshow view option at the bottom of the window. Like this. Or we can use F5 key also to start the slideshow. That is the shortcut key. To advance and reverse the slide, in this slideshow view, move your mouse over the bottom left of the screen. A menu will appear. So click the right arrow to advance slide and the left arrow to the reverse slide. To stop or end an slideshow, what we need to do? To end the slideshow, move the mouse at the selected mouse and select the menu box option command and click End Show. You can also press the escape key at the bottom, at the top left. You can also press the escape key, right? So at the top left of your keyboard to end the show. So we can use escape key also to end it. Now presentation tools and features. PowerPoint provides useful tools and features you can use while you're presenting your slideshow. Features including changing your mouse pointer to a pen or highlighter to make the audience pay attention to important things on the slide. In addition, you can jump around the slides in your presentation or access items from your computer desktop if needed. So to access pen or highlighter, here move the mouse over the pen menu option in the bottom left of your screen. They select pen or highlighter based on your preference. So we can select it. Now your mouse pointer to draw or mark your slide appears. So to change color of pen, that's highlighter continuation. So from the same menu, you can also change the color of the pen or highlighter. Keep in mind that color, that's a light color choice are best for the highlighters. So pen box we can select, decide color and we can use it. To erase ink markers, so from the same menu, let's move the mouse over and click the pen, that's pen menu option in the bottom left of your screen. Select the eraser to erase individual ink marking or select erase all ink on slides to erase all the markers. When you end your slideshow, you also have the option to keep or discard, that is erase any ink markings you made during your presentation. So we can mark it and we can erase it. So finally, like this, keep or discard, you can select it. So next, to jump and to any slides, other slides. So move the mouse and click the menu box option in the bottom left of your screen. Select go to slide and choose the slide you want to jump to in your presentation. So you can do it. To access the desktop, sometimes you may need to access the internet or other files and programs on your computer during your presentation. So PowerPoint allows you to access your desktop, that is desktop taskbar, without ending your presentation. So move the mouse and click the menu box option in the bottom left of your screen. Select the screen, then click switch program. Your computer taskbar will appear. Choose a program you want to switch to. So like this you can do it. To access the menu items, you can also access any of above menu items by right clicking anywhere on the screen during your slideshow. So now it's a key, right? You can do it. Keyboard shortcuts. That's to switch between pen pointer and mouse pointer. We need to press Ctrl plus P for the pen pointer and Ctrl plus M for mouse pointer. To erase and ink markers, we can use, that is E, shortcut keys E. We want to press E. Now we'll see the quick revision. Which option is useful to present certain slides? That's from current slide. Second question, how will you access menu items in slide a show? By moving a mouse over bottom left corner or there's a right click on the page. So third question, write the shortcut key to change mouse pointer to pen. We need to press Ctrl plus P. Fourth question, name the available commands in menu items. First one is the pen box, menu box, to advance slide and to reverse the slide. Today content is over. We'll meet in next video. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. Be happy and make others happy. Bye-bye.